Hi everyone, Dr. Javid here from Promenade Dentistry. Wanted to tell you guys about a pretty cool tool we have in our belt as holistic dentists. As a holistic dentist, we obviously want to avoid using chemicals and medication as much as possible. One of the ways we do that is with ozone therapy. If you've never heard of ozone therapy, you might have heard about the ozone layer that protects the earth outside the atmosphere. Well, this is the same ozone. It's charged oxygen, so instead of O2, it's O3. And that charged oxygen has many benefits. Namely, if you look at here in this chart, ozone can be used for a lot of purposes. For example, as a pain reliever, improves circulation and oxygenation, and it's an anti-inflammatory, improves the immune system, and is an antioxidant. But in dentistry in particular, we are constantly trying to kill bacteria and kill infection and viruses for that matter. So as a germicide, it's very, very effective. So what do we do in dentistry as far as its use? Well, every day, first of all, we are making ozone here in the practice. This machine was imported from out of the country, and it uses actually distilled water and medical grade oxygen, and forms ozone gas, and with that gas we make ozonated water. With that, we have many uses. Every time you come into our practice, for example, any dental work that's done, whether it's a cleaning or a filling or any procedure, obviously with our hand pieces we have water running through them. In our office is ozonated water. That ozonated water that comes through the lines and comes into your mouth is automatically disinfected at a very high level. The water is disinfected, and as it goes through your mouth and does as we were doing your dental work or your cleaning, it is deeply disinfecting the tissues that are there, killing bacteria, killing viruses every single time. That's one of the ways we use it every single day. Now there's other uses. For example, a patient has a big infection. I've had multiple patients. We put them on some antibiotics. It's not working. They still have pain. They still have an infection. Go on another round of antibiotics. It's not working. Unfortunately, that's a big problem right now. Antibiotics have been overprescribed by medical doctors. It's in use. 75% of medication, antibiotics that it's being produced in this country is going into meat production. So it's in everything we eat. It's in everything, every procedure patients get a prescription for is an antibiotic. So people are getting resistant to it. Not to mention antibiotics causing major gut problems. So alternative, ozone. Patient of mine that I was telling you about that had that big infection that wasn't going away, we can inject ozone gas right to the area of the infection. Actually kills the bacteria in that area more effectively than antibiotics. We get instant relief right then and there. When we do a prep of the teeth, when we take out a cavity, we can ozonate that tooth at a high level, kill the bacteria at a high level before putting a filling or a restoration on that tooth. Many uses. I'm a big fan. I love the fact that we have this tool in our practice. If this is something that you're interested in, let us know. That was it.